So this is what your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar look like Linux Menubar. I'll show you step by step, so let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu look like Linux Menubar and start menu style. So first you have to install this software called Windhoek. Links are given in the description box. Just go to its official website and download and install it. It's pretty easy to install. Okay, now after installation you will see interface like this, and now we have to install some mods. Click on browse for mods. Okay, first we have to install this taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install, and open this folder, and then you will see a scripts like this. Just copy this script okay, now go to advanced tab and paste the script here and click on save. Now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install, and open this taskbar code and copy this entire code, and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 Start Menu Installer. Click on details and then install it, and also copy this script as well. And then click on advance and paste the script here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods. Just copy this and search here and click on details and install this mod. And that's it. This is how you can simply customize your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar. And I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.